Hi guys, unboxing tayo ng Note 35G color black po. Si Note 35G guys, meron siyang dalawang variant. Merong 128, merong 256. Yung 128 guys is 8499, yung 256 guys is 8999. Naka 45 watts fast charging na po si Note 35G guys. Then naka 108 megapixel na po. Then ang kinaganda niya, naka dual speaker siya, tuned by JBL na po siya. So guys, ito yung color black. So si Note 35G is merong tatlong kulay. Merong black, merong blue, tsaka merong gold. Yung gold niya may pagka-leather. Then yung blue tsaka black niya may pagka-glossy. Ayan, Note 35G. So inside the box ni Note 35G, meron na siyang libreng case, full tempered, SIM injector, siyempre hindi mawawala yung charger.
Madam, Infinix madam.
Note 35G.